Here we are to perform the indicated operation and write the answer in both scientific and standard form. Here we have an expression written in scientific notation, and we're taking it to the power of 3. Okay. And what is this scientific notation? It is 5 times 10 to the negative 3. So we have two terms that are multiplied by each other. It's 5 times 10 to the power of negative 8. And if we remember, our powers property tells us that when we evaluate this, what we are doing is we're taking the exponent and we're going to distribute it out to the 5, and we're also going to distribute it out to the 10, right? So we can go ahead and do that first. We could say 5 to the 3 times 10 to the negative 8 to the power of 3. Okay. Now, what are we going to do? Well, let's go ahead and evaluate this, right? 5 to the power of 3 is 5 times 5 is 25. Times 5 is 125. So we have 125 times. And here we have powers of a power property. And in this case, we multiply. Right? So we have times 10 to the power of negative 24. Ooh, all right. So writing this in scientific notation is pretty straightforward, right? We just need to move the decimal place from here over to the left 2. So that is going to be 1.25 times 10. And since we moved it to the left, we need to add 2 to the exponent, which is going to make the exponent negative 22. All right. And I breathed in heavy there because now we need to write it in standard form, which means we need to take it from the decimal place from here or here and move it to the left 24 spaces, or in this case, move it to the left 22 spaces. All right, let's get this done. So it's going to be 1, 2, 5, and we moved it over 1 space, right? The decimal from here to here. And then I'm going to move it over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So this is in standard form. I took the decimal place from here and I moved it to the left 22 spaces because my exponent is negative 22.